Kawasaki.
Yes. Is this their second ride?
I think so, yeah. He said he had 100 miles or so when he first started.
This would be a great break-in trail.
Oh, yeah.
For the driver and
Yeah.
the KRX.
Yeah, he's never been on this trail, so he's in for a real treat.
I've never been on this trail either.
Yeah, me neither. It's all new to me.
Psych.
Psych. Oh my god.
Just joking.
Okay. Psych. Way to date yourself, Gen Xer. Worth it because the waterfall is epic.
Yeah,
down
the waterfall's
here.
beautiful down here.
It's worth it, especially when there's water, and there's going to be water. And the creeks that you cross is cool. No hands.
Tell Steph to put her hands up.
Thumbnail. Oh yeah. We got Tammy and Mac. Yes, we name our side-by-sides. Tell the difference between 31s and 35s. Like he totally hit his
Yeah,
plate.
he said he hit.
popular 4x4 like Jeep 4x4 trail.
I do feel like.
Would you bring your Gladiator down this trail?
No, I probably wouldn't. But
No, I don't think I would feel comfortable. You probably break some. Being stock, I don't think I'd do a stock.
being stock now.
Yeah, maybe with some bigger tires.
And I'm sure it would totally do it.
I bet. But you're gonna tear it up.
This ain't no joke. The trail, even for Jeepers.
Yeah, side by sides, it's
Yeah.
okay. It's not.
I feel like just about anything can come down here.
Yeah, I mean, you could bring your stock Ranger.
Yeah, we've
Probably
seen it
down.
done.
Yeah, down here.
Actually,
You could bring a go-kart down here.
remember when the Abby and John
Yeah,
brought the little
race.
Ranger 150 two-wheel drive down?
Yeah, and it did fine. It didn't like crossing the creeks.
No, I didn't like
Wasn't
that.
a great swimmer, but
No.
it did fine.
Sure pulled just fine across.
Yeah, exactly. So it's intimidating, but these buggies really will do pretty much anything. You just have to have the confidence in your driving skills.
Yes.
Easy peasy. Hey, I'm gonna opt to keep my hand in on this one.
Yeah, that's probably good.
It's just a little tippy. There's the Squidward tree. Look at that. That's crazy.
It does look like a squid.
It looks like Squidward. And look, there's 2 eyeballs right there. Creepy. Oh yeah, a little bit of flex and that one's got flex. Look at this beautiful creek down here. Rock formations, so cute. Doesn't look too deep. Seen it higher. That tree growing on that rock. Oh, look at that tree.
Well, that's really leaning.
Wow.
I don't know if I remember that from last time.
That's new. Oh, you remember that one weird thing?
Yeah, where there was a tree down. I'm hoping people.
Oh, there's where it flopped.
I'm hoping people have cut this up here.
Yeah, last time we were down here in September, team go around. That's cute. He's afraid to get Mac dirty. Don't listen to me, Mike. I'm just messing with you.
Just messing with it. Normally we're team go around.
Yeah, normally we are team go around. So normally you don't park up here, you park down there on the trail, but there's huge trees down, so it is what it is at this point. We didn't bring our chainsaw. I'm sure someday someone will fix it. This 60-foot falls. You can walk behind this waterfall. You can.
Would you like to hike up here, honey?
Alright, let's go check out this waterfall, y'all. It's going really good. Ooh, it's wet. It won't get muddy. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, it's dripping on me. What do you think of the 60-foot falls today?
Badass as always.
Man, what?
Huh?
Did you say a cuss word? Did you actually?
Very nice as always.
Watch your mouth.
This is not a bad word.
Yes, it is.
Where?
It's not a dam.
True.
Yeah. Anywho, so we're gonna go. We're already down here. We might as well go to the other waterfall.
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
This whole other group is headed that way, but
Yep.
oh well.
Be fine. It's huge down there. Plenty of room for all of us. Wow, so stunning. Mike and Steph are loving the cowie. We're breaking her in right.
Oh yeah.
Him. His name's Mac.
Mac, huh?
Yeah. What do y'all name your side-by-sides? If you do,
I feel like everyone does.
if you do, leave a comment and tell me what you name your side-by-side.
Yeah,
we want to know what everyone names their side-by-side. And is your side-by-side a girl name or a boy name?
Ooh, a Ritz on that one.
Yeah, that's crazy. It looks like an octopus. We've got Squidwards and octopuses.
Yeah,
trees.
how do you choose it, I guess?
Yeah, I always call my vehicles she's, but
I always have two.
I don't know why, but what do y'all do? Tell us. We want to know.
We want to know.
We want to know, man. We're nosy. We want to know it all. So did you notice, were those people actually hikers?
Yes, they are. They're right up
Oh,
here.
yep, they are hiking. They're hiking like with their real feet, not.
Yeah.
Oh.
With their real feet.
They're really, really hiking, like in real life, with their real feet.
Good way to put it, honey.
Not with their fake feet. I don't know why it came out that way. Oh my gosh.
Too funny.
No, it's not. It's embarrassing.
Too funny.
Think they came down from Mulberry Mountain?
I would guess.
Yeah, so if you stay at Mulberry Mountain, there is a hiking trail that comes down here. If you're into that kind of thing. With your real feet. You could hike it.
Real feet.
With your real feet, you could hike this. Not with your fake feet. Wow, so beautiful. So the trail to Mount Fork Creek Falls is a little intimidating.
You ain't squealed like that since last night. Hey, you might want to get them on camera. Whatever.
He totally did. I have to cut all that out.
Why?
You can't say that. Jeepers creepers.
You can't cut that out. No way you can cut that out.
Stop even scream. Come on, man. Get off my butt. Sketchy. Sketchy, man. Shoot. I'm sweating.
I know it's sketchy.
I'm sweating now. I probably should put my seatbelt on. It's really intelligent not to have it on. I would just literally die. Please be careful. What? You did it way easier.
Didn't do it yet.
Oh.
What the hell are you talking about?
I can't see past the fender.
No, I ain't even done it yet.
Oh my god. There's the beautiful waterfall though. And then a cascade. Like, it's pretty it's worth it. It's worth the screams. It's worth it. It's going good. How could you imagine bringing your Jeep on that? Nah.
Kind of wider though.
Well, probably wouldn't feel Mountain,
Beautiful as always. A lot of people down here today.
Mountain Fort Creek Falls. I know, I was kind of surprised that there's so many people down here. We didn't really get to see the waterfall because they're hogging it all.
Yeah, they were too.
Their copyright music and such. But they're having fun, so.
Walls are having fun.
We'll just have to come down here again and film it. I mean, twist my arm.
Right?
Don't threaten me with a good time. Well, now we're just gonna make our way back. My favorite off-camber trail. The one trail that can make ATV Amy squeal.
Yeah, this one's got a couple crappy spots.
I don't really enjoy them that much. The Cowie just goes over, but it feels scary.
It feels unnatural. And it's probably not as bad as it feels, to be honest.
It's literally my fear of heights. Like it
Well,
just.
yeah, I don't.
What were you gonna say? You didn't finish your thought. Did you forget your thought?
I did. It just feels unnatural, and it's probably not really that bad.
Well, I mean, you're just hanging off the side of a mountain. No big deal.
See, this way doesn't feel bad at
No,
all.
that's not this far, though.
Oh, that one rock. Go beside that rock.
Oh, look, there's water coming off there.
What?
Oh, water. The waterfall is this way.
It is, and I was trying to
We've
look
never
up there,
been there.
but I don't even see a trail up there.
I think
You have
there
to walk
is.
it.
There is a, yeah, you'd have to walk.
Oh, it is up there. I see it.
You do?
Yeah, look straight at the trail.
Oh yeah, there's a waterfall right there. What's it called? It's called Spirit Mountain Falls. We've never been up there because there's no riding trail.
It's pretty wide, too.
It does. You can hike up there if you wanted to. Well, it's right there. Spirit. We've never been to it.
Down, right,
But it's definitely going.
yeah.
It won't translate on camera, but
It's too far away.
yep. Next time.
Next time. Next time we'll hike up there.
Yeah, next time we'll use our real feet to hike up there.
Our real feet.
Our real feet. Real.
For real.
No, none of that fake stuff. Oi. Oi. Ooh. So normally you would come right here and you're not supposed to go up there. But there's big trees down. So see that huge tree right there blocking the trail? Someone's got to fix that.
Yeah, exactly.
See that big tree right there? You can't get through. The trail is no longer passable. So if you are into cleaning up trails, there you go. Clean up mile 9. It's a big one.
It is a big one.
It's a big one.
Forestry probably need to get down here and fix it if they don't want people up there.
Exactly. Somebody. got a fresh battery, and now we need fuel.
Doritos.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Looks like people usually go that way.
Kind of.
Look, there's a big tree stump there.
Not the way I always go.
Oh.
So I always go up and hook around.
Oh yeah. Watch out. Oh, it's super solid. We can play in these holes, but I wouldn't recommend it. I've seen people get in a real pickle down here.
Yeah.
Light bar. Bam. Like that? I wouldn't go down. You can.
I think a lot of people do go through over there now.
Okay.
I guess it's all a matter of what you want to play in.
Yep. We're a hardcore team go around, so.
Yeah, I don't want to have to wash this thing.
We do this every weekend, so.
That's so cool. I know, right?
Last time we climbed up this mountain, Juicy almost flipped this buggy over.
I did. It was right up here, too.
Well, let's hope he does a better line today.
I'll try. If not, when in doubt, throttle out.
This sky is giving winter storm vibes. I'm just saying. Even the feel in the air, it's a little moisty. It's moisty. Is that a beaver dam or? Whoa, Juicy, what'd you think of that ride today?
Awesome ride today, nice and smooth. And
oh yeah, it was a great ride.
Good little loop.
It was nice when we were in the woods because there's no wind. The wind is really cold in Arkansas today.
You get out here in the open and it's chilly.
Yeah,
of course, it's like probably in the 40s, but
I mean, it is winter.
Yep, it's January.
Yeah, you'll have that on these big jobs.
Great time today.
Yeah, it was so fun. We had a great time with Steph and Mike.
Yes.
They broke in their new Kawasaki.
Yeah, we took them on some roads. We took them on some trails.
And they love the Cowie on the trails versus their Ranger. Like, he's like in love with that buggy.
Yes. Took them down to 60-foot falls. Never been down there before, so that was a really good time.
Yeah, Mike did say I should be getting a kickback from Kawasaki, so Kawasaki, call me. We're selling buggies left and right over here.
Yes, we are.
Shoot.
Probably more than most sales guys.
We should be getting commissions.
No kidding. No kidding.
Shoot.
Good time today, though.
Yeah, we're just gonna make our way home and prepare for the weather. We don't, I mean,
it's supposed to start raining tonight.
Yeah,
and temperatures dropping. So
temps dropping, the clouds are ominous, like, who knows?
Be a good night to go home, get the old fireplace rolling.
Yeah. cuddle
nice
up.
and toasty in the house and make some dinner.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Yep.
Yeah, we hope you enjoy today's video.
Yes.
Remember, if you want to become a member, you can join our member only on YouTube and get early access and ad-free videos.
Yes.
So if you're interested in just skipping all those silly ads, become a member. It's like $5 a month or something.
Yeah, it's nothing too crazy.
Yeah, helps out the channel.
It does.
We sure appreciate y'all.
Yep.
We did track this ride for you on GPS.
Yep.
I think we did it. We finally accomplished Onyx.
Hopefully
So,
we'll see when I get home. I'll re-look at it again.
With waypoints.
Yes.
So we're getting there.
We're getting there. I'm learning.
Yeah, you can find us on Patreon if you're interested in that.
Yep, get our track.
Yep. So wrap it up.
Let's go home.
You got anything exciting to say?
I want to go home. It's cold out
What
here.
about, what do you usually say?
Always an adventure.
Yeah, man.
Let's do this.
Yes. Later.
Bye.
Bye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.